Anonas Ukay Ukay! Ayan, meron ka na. Late siya. Excited na ako. Ate, oh, parang suot ni V. So, hindi ako nakapagtiis. Kaya, sinukat ko siya. And here is how it looks. So, it looks like this. And, di ba parang maiksi siya? I think, maiksi siya. Kasi high-waist ko siya. And, yan. I think it's so cute. I think baka kunin ko to. Yes. Yes. And, how can I go wrong with a denim skirt, right? And then here is a blue pastel shorts, and perfect fit siya for me, I think. Pero hindi siya high-waist so medyo mid-waist lang siya. And I think I really like this. So, I don't know, pero baka kunin ko din tong blue pastel skirt shorts pala siya. Blue pastel shorts because I feel like it goes well with my Instagram account. So, yep. So, third item is this denim skirt again with yellow-green polka dots. And it looks like that. I don't think I'm gonna go for this. I think medyo awkward yung size niya, or the shape looks kind of awkward. So, I'm not gonna get this. Okay, so last but not least is this skirt, and I think this is an origami skirt, and I really like it. It fits well. So I think I'm gonna get this because it fits well and it is really fashionable. And pero onting galaw lang makikita na ko dyan. So make sure that I'm gonna wear cyclings. So really glad that I went for this shirt kasi I think it goes well with lahat nung nasukat ko dito sa Ukay Ukay. So literally, everything is in here, guys. Tingnan nyo, may mga ganito pa. What? There are even bras and swimsuits in here? What? We're not gonna go through that part, so let's move on. Mas maganda to, this one. Kasi silk. Yes, silk siya. Cars. And penguins! There are a lot of toys here. So, may pasalubong kami for the kids. So, we're gonna buy this for Lana. It's an egg. But, look, it's a sharpener egg. There are even cases here. And wallet. So, we have glasses like this. And small ones. And then over here we have gun toys. And look, there are color pens. We have a lot of stationaries over here. Like this one, we have an art set. And vinyls. Are these vinyls? I think this is really vintage. This is so cool. We have here toys. So there are more trains over here, more cars, pero wala pa rin kaming nahanap for Leon. Ito, hawak ko yung kanina. Ay, ito may nakaka-plastic kasi, oh. Bago pa siya. Marami silang egg! So, ito yung gusto mo ng color for Lana. Ate, may tripod dito. Parang gusto ko nung tripod. Ayan, marami silang tripod. Guys. Tapos, electric fan. May hair curler ba? May blower. And look at that! It's a very big calculator. And ping pong. Pero parang gusto ko talaga tong tripod. Ay, hindi siya nabubuksan. Magkano to? 850. So 850 siya. Medyo ganun din. Mahal din. So I'm not gonna buy that. Shorts and ito 10 pesos and then silk scarf. Okay, so nakabili na ako ng pandesal. Bags. Ang dami. So this one is 700 pesos. I don't know, but this one, it looks brand new. Oh my gosh. How much is this? Can you guys hear me? It's also 700. All of them is 700, I think. This one is also 700. And parang brand new pa siya, guys. Oh yes, kasi may tag. So, I don't know if it is original. Lahat sila may tag. Also have bags, school bags, and sneakers. So guys, yan. Sobrang skip niya. Okay, so dun sa second shop. Okay, dun sa second shop, wala kaming nabili. So, off to the third shop. I just want to show you guys the shoes, but probably not gonna buy shoes for hygiene reasons. Pero yan, sobrang dami niya. We have here Reebok, Nike, Converse. Yan na naman si ate. Nasa mga ano ba tawag dyan? Shawl and scarf na naman siya. Ganyan. Oh, ganyan talaga pag tumatanda na. Cute naman yan. Kasi yan kay Lana. Ang cute niya. Kasi yan kay Bebe. Oh, parang maliit na. Kiss me to see you in that wedding dress. So I've been eyeing this lavender bag kanina pa nung malayo pa siya. Ako to dahil sa bag ni ate. Asa na siya? Ate, pakita mo naman yung bag mo. Yan. Naayaw niya ibigay sa akin. Guys, look at this. Ang ganda. For school. Tapos cat siya. And you know how I love cats. Vans siya. Magkano kaya to? I think I also want to get that bag. Pag bags naman kasi, I can really clean it. So, okay lang. Ano, Rilakkuma. I think I want to get this. So, look at this, guys. Sayang naman because it has a stain over here. And first time ko bibili ng bag sa Ukay. I go sa Ukay Ukay. Pumupunta talaga ako dito and buy stuff. Pero, first time kong bibili ng bag. Guys, ang mahal nito. 460 siya. So, I'm not gonna buy it. So, dito pala sa shop na to, children's clothes lang yung meron sila. And then, yung mga shoes and bags yung for adults. So, right now, we're looking for clothes for Lana and Leon. Pero, parang wala rin makita si ate.
Ito nakita ko.
Ayan, yung amo ni Snoopy.
Amo ni Snoopy.
Ano ba pangalan niya?
Si Charlie Brown.
Si Charlie Brown. And then, parang kasya yan sa akin. Parang gusto ko yan crop top.
35 pesos.
Ayun, 35 pesos. Kasi dito kami,
Kaya sa
35 pesos yung sa mga kids. Dito lang kami, ayaw namin dun sa new arrival. Oh, bakit ko daw sinabi yun? Baka daw isipin nyo wala kaming pera. Wala kaming pera. Kaya kailangan for school girl look. Oh, ang cute naman yan. Yan, so may mga bra na naman dito, guys. May mga bra na naman dito. So I think yung mga bra na part, para yan sa mga hindi talaga maka-afford to buy a brand new bra. So, huwag na natin i-judge yung mga ukay-ukay if they have that. Look! They have hats and caps. Wala ba akong cap na maganda makikita, ate? Ooh, this one is so nice. So, ito, bibilin siguro namin for Leon kasi meron siya nung Superman.
Batman.
Ayun, si Batman. Okay, off to second floor.
Ayun, tinumukin ka may mga box.
Ang dami new arrival, pero may sale pa din, like that one. Namumutla na pala ako. So, we changed our mind. Hindi na pala kami muna pupunta sa second floor kasi si ate, wala na daw siyang energy. Kailangan na muna natin kumain. Dito kami sa labas, tapos nagpo-vlog ako. Nakatingin yung mga tao sa akin. Change of plans kasi diba kumain kami. And then, nakita namin may ukay-ukay dito sa second floor nila. So,
And it's big.
wow. So, dito muna kami. Oh, so, super laki niya pala. Yan. Ay, ito Anson's department store yata yan. Yung kasama ko ngayon, si Bongsun.
Ay namin, talaga ma'am? Aba, ikahaba naman po pala ng buhok niyo, ma'am.
Ay, tapos na. Pagod kami. Yay! Hey everyone! So, I just got home and yeah, kapagod, sobra, but really worth it, and we also had fun, especially I was with my ate, and for sure, baka nakauwi na siya ngayon kasi mas malapit yung bahay niya kaysa sa akin, or hindi rin siguro, parang same lang from the Ukay Ukay. And yung Ukay Ukay na pinuntahan namin is yung Anonas station na Ukay Ukay. Kasi yun yung kabisado ko na Ukay Ukay. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, diba, I had my OJT near that station. So, every lunch break, pupunta kami doon ng friends ko. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wash up, get dressed, and lalabhan ko yung mga pinamili ko. Yeah, I hope you liked this vlog. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to get notified of my future videos. Yeah, bye guys!